Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Ambrosia and I am the Eclectic Herbalist. So it is that time of month again, as always, for an herbal unboxing from Apothecary at Home. This month's theme was energy and focus. So before we get into the unboxing, I do want to go over a few herbal actions for energy, so that way we kind of have an idea of what we're going to be looking for when discussing energy. This month, my PDF version of the guide, which you can get paper or PDF, but save the trees, right? Okay. The first herbal action you will want to look for is a nootropic. What a nootropic herb is, or herbal action is it helps improve cognitive function. The next one is a nervine stimulant, which is an herbal action or herb that helps stimulate your nervous system. Next up after that, you will want to look for a circulatory stimulant, and that is exactly as it sounds. And the last thing you'll want to look for is a nerve tonic, and what that will help you do is improve your energy long term, while also nourishing the entire nervous system by strengthening and restoring tissue. So with that, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, and I will see you guys when you return. So as stated, this month's theme is all about energy and focus, and it does look like next month's theme will be focusing on the musculoskeletal system. So if you are interested in grabbing next month's box, or you just want to start a subscription in general, I do have a referral link, and I do have it down below, so you can go ahead and get a 15% off discount with that. If this is your first time viewing my channel and this is one of the first videos you do see and you're kind of wondering what is Apothecary at Home, it is just an herbalism based subscription box that they send you herbs, jars, and anything you need to get your apothecary started. First thing out of the box, we do have some tea. It is from the Loose Leaf Tea Company, and it is for energy. It has organic peppermint, ginkgo, ℎ𝕬𝕠𝕕𝕤, eucalyptus, and ashwagandha root. Next up, we do get 2 4-ounce glass mason jars, and these do come in every box. Next, we have 2 2-ounce amber glass dropper bottles for this month's projects. We also get 2 muslin mesh cloth bags to strain our macerations at the end. The company did go through a rebranding, so they provided us with a sticker of their new logo. One of our surprise gifts was an aromatherapy balm that focused on focus, so it has rosemary, mint, and clary sage. You want to put this on your wrists, temple, or even your neck. And our last surprise gift was just a Palo Santo stick. Next up, we did get 4 labels. We do always get these in our boxes as well. Another one of my favorite things we get in every box is a hand sketch drawing from the owner's mother. The first sketch is of Eleutherococcus centricosco, and it is also known as Eleuthero. The second sketch is of ginkgo biloba, which is, of course, ginkgo. Another thing I love about the company is that they do provide us with seeds of an herb that came in the box, and this month it looks like we got valerian seeds. And following right along with the seeds, we did get 1 ounce of valerian root. Medicinally, valerian can be used to treat insomnia and sleep disorders, attention deficit disorder, and anxiety disorder. Ayo, that's a mood for me. Magically, valerian can be used for love, sleep, purification, and protection. Next up, we did get 2 ounces of Eleuthero. Medicinally, Eleuthero can be used for fatigue, poor stamina, and stress intolerance. Magically, Eleuthero can be used to attract love, for protection, wish fulfillment, and money drawing spells. Our last herb was 2 ounces of ginkgo. Medicinally, ginkgo has a wide range of physiological effects, some of which being memory enhancement, Alzheimer's, and even depression. Magically, ginkgo is great for use in longevity and age spells. And lastly, we do get this beautiful little health disclaimer. It does come in every box, so if you already received the box, you know all about it. If not, you will want to give it a quick little read. So yeah, that is everything we got in this month's box. I hope you enjoyed. Alright, welcome back. So another way you will also want to kind of get your energy going, especially in the morning, is create a morning ritual. Now in the guide she does list a morning ritual and an evening ritual, but if you already have those type of rituals, I'm sure you don't need to follow exactly what she says. I personally have my own morning ritual, and to be honest, if I don't do that in the morning, I kind of have a lazy day. Whereas if I do my meditation, my yoga, my working out, and then whatever else I do during the morning that gets me going, I usually have a more productive and energy-filled day. So I do recommend, if you are not someone who has a morning ritual and you do find that you're kind of lazing about or sluggish during the day, try and put one together and see if that kind of gives you a little pick-me-up and gets you going throughout the day. If you do have a morning ritual, go ahead and drop them below in the comments. I'd like to hear all of your guys' ways you get started and get going through the morning. But other than that, that is all I have for today. I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a lovely day.